So in this video, we will learn about a new component which is called Pressable. It's a new component that is introduced by React Native. So Pressable is basically a core component wrapper which detects the pressable interaction among its child component. It means that if we wrap these wrapper component around any button, text, or any component, it can detect how many times the component is pressed, whether it's pressed or not, how long does it pressed, etc. So in this video, we will learn how you can use pressable component. Open a Visual Studio Code and create a React Native project. I've already opened the iOS simulator. If you are using Windows machine, then you can also use Android simulator. First of all, let me just import the text and pressable component. Okay, let me declare pressable component. Now let me write the text. Let's say press me. Okay, let's also provide style. I already created text styling here, as you can see. Okay, so first of all, let me just create a state which can track how many times the button is pressed. Let me say count, set count. By default, we provide 0. On pressable, let's say on press, set count, we will set to count plus 1. Let me just display that count over here. Let me just save it. If I press this, as you can see, it increases every time I press. Now we want some interaction, like if I press this, user doesn't know if it gets pressed or not. So let me just provide condition over here. We can use pressed props. Pressed. Let me wrap this in an array. Let me change the background color. If it pressed, then background color will be, let's say, red, and when it pressed out, background color will be yellow. We have already background color yellow because currently it is not pressed. Let us just see if it works. If I pressed it, it'll change to red, and when I remove my cursor, it again changed to yellow. This way, user gets to know whether it's pressed or not. Let us also do one thing. We also change the text over the button press me. Let us use pressed over here as well. Let me just copy paste it. So if it pressed, then text change to pressed. If it doesn't pressed, and to press me. Let's say if it works. Currently the button color is in yellow and the text over it is press me. When I press it, the background color changed to red and the text also changed to pressed. When I remove it, as you can see, so basically this is the use of pressable component. You can wrap any component over the pressable. You can wrap button, you can wrap list, you can also wrap the entire flat list, and you can track the press interaction whether it's pressed or not. So thanks for watching it.